Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about digital citizen and their responsibilities. So let's start. A citizen who makes efficient use of the internet and other digital means of technology like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to participate in social and civic activities is called a digital citizen. Now we will learn about responsibilities. Some responsibilities of digital citizen are: first one is respect the rights and opinions of others. Second one is avoid spreading racism and false information. Third one is avoid damage to a person's reputation. Number four, avoid gossips and half truth. Number five, avoid sharing someone's information without permission and confirmation. Sixth is use appropriate and good chosen words when communicating with others. Respect for people's personal information. Last one is follow rules and regulation at all internet sites. Thanks for watching.